thunderstorm warning for southern Gibson County in southwestern Indiana until 7:15 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Owensville or near Fort Branch, moving south at 25 miles per hour.
Not for me.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Branch, Hopstock, Owensville, Somerville, and Mackey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: Gibson, Indiana.
I know Hopstock. Tri-State Speedway is in that.
And Louisville has it.
Tri-State Speedway in Hopstock is under that warning. I think they were planning for a big race there, but nope. And what was that? Oh, Lake Charles. Okay. Sorry for the bad angle.